What's up, YouTubers? Just put the JLT 3.0 oil catch can on my 2020 3.5 Ecoboost, and this is the problem you're gonna run into that they don't tell you everywhere else. You cannot put the engine cover back on. If you notice, that's where it goes into the intake. There's the nut right there, the stud. It will not go back on. You could probably force it back on, but I didn't do that because it'll probably eventually rub a hole in one of the wires or the hose. That's where the other part goes. Pretty simple install. Took me, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe, if that long. That was probably more or less getting the tools and drilling the one hole. But there it is. I'll keep y'all posted. I'm getting ready to go to the mountains, which is about a 7-hour drive, and come back and we'll see what's in the can now. There's nothing in there. Like I said, I haven't even cranked it up yet. Got a pretty good seal on it. Screws off. And there's nothing in there. It's clean. Like I said, ordered it. You come in pretty quick. I want to get it on before I take this long trip. But JLT 3.0 for the 2020 Ecoboost 3.5 liter. And like I said, that's the problem you're gonna run into right there. The engine cover will not go back down loosely unless you force it down, and I'm not gonna do that. Like I said, you run the risk of rubbing it one of the electrical wires into or the hose into eventually. But anyhow, there you go. Y'all have a good day. Bye.